to Food Clinic, where we get to show you amazing ways on how to make sumptuous meals for yourself, your family members, and your loved ones. I'm your host, B, and today I'll be showing you how to make unripe plantain porridge. Unripe plantain porridge is a very healthy meal choice if you're seeking to maintain weight loss and also if you have a diabetic family member. I'll be introducing to you guys my ingredients and also my guests when we come back from this short break. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
That's yummy.
Welcome back. The name of our guest that is joining us for today's episode is Benny. She's a sales and marketing strategist and she also happens to be a food enthusiast.
That's yummy.
Welcome back and thank you so much for joining us on another episode of Food Clinic.
Thank you for having me here.
You're very much welcome. So, how do you feel being on here today?
Wow, it's a really great experience and I love it.
Okay, you're very much welcome. So today we're going to be making unripe plantain porridge. Have you had that before?
Wow. No.
Yeah, I'm so happy. You're giving me the privilege to prepare the sumptuous meal for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, so I'll be introducing you to our ingredients.
Okay.
Over here we have unripe plantain.
Okay.
We have scent leaf. This is crayfish, chopped onion, our pepper mix, palm oil, smoked Titus fish,
wow.
And lastly we have our dry fish.
Wow.
So all these ingredients are what we're going to use to make our unripe plantain porridge.
I love this.
Oh, okay. I love it too because of the flavor it adds to the food. Okay, so now we're proceeding to start making our meal. So let's do this right now.
All right. Which one do you need me to assist you with?
Okay, I'll let you know.
All
First of all, we're going to be turning our unripe plantain into the pot.
Okay.
To start cooking.
Okay.
So the water available is what we're going to use to let it cook.
Wow.
So we're going to be letting it cook. All right. So back to this. So I was going to ask you, when they say food is the way to it, like the stomach is the way to a man's heart, food is the way to a man's heart, do you really think that food alone is enough to keep a man or sustain a relationship or marriage? What do you think? Let me know.
I don't agree to that. Seriously.
Okay.
Yes, food is essential to life, but a man still needs a good woman by his side.
Okay.
You understand, to support him in business, life, and all. So food good for belly, but you understand now.
Okay. What you mean when you were talking about a good woman? What do you mean, like character?
Character-wise, although she has to know how to cook too.
Okay.
So character-wise, business-wise, you have to be supportive when it comes to bring money to the family. You understand? So everything.
Okay. Okay. All right. So. And left for me, this is my own take.
Okay.
Even if a woman can't cook, you can always outsource if you have the money to outsource. If you have the money to outsource, it's still fine. So for me, I don't feel like knowing how to cook is really a criteria. Like, of course, gone are the days when men capitalize on, oh, if I want to marry a woman, she has to be a good cook. Of course, any learned man knows that even if your wife can't cook or if she can't cook or she doesn't have the time to cook, we can always outsource the kitchen duties to someone else, and once we have that money to pay. But another thing is that food alone is not enough to keep any man.
Exactly.
A woman has to have character. The woman has to give. Although I don't like, there's this thing about when men say they want peace of mind. I don't like when they use that word. Because for African men, I don't want to generalize Nigerians, but for most people, when most men, when they say I want to give me peace of mind, I feel like it's more saying I want a woman that will just keep quiet. Anything I do, she just take it.
In this Nigeria,
yes, that's what I feel. That's why
I don't get it.
Check it. When a man is saying a woman should give you peace, I've checked it. The peace a Nigerian man wants is even if he's doing wrong,
you have to keep quiet. Don't talk.
Thank you.
Whenever he's wrong, when he says shut up, yes sir.
Yes, thank you.
That's what they want.
Just agree to everything.
It's not possible.
It doesn't make any sense
at all.
It doesn't make any sense.
That's yummy.
Okay, right now I'll be putting in a little bit of chopped onions just for flavor while it's cooking. Then I'll also be seasoning our plantain.
You know, I've not tasted this before, so maybe after everything you give me your research so I can do it myself.
Trust me, I'll do that.
All right.
Okay, so let's just add a bit of chopped onion.
Okay.
So here we go. Sprinkle this on, and I'll also be seasoning our food right now. So let me do the seasoning quickly before we get back to our gist.
Okay.
So just a bit of salt and some seasoning cubes.
Right.
You're like, for real, you've not had unripe plantain porridge?
No.
Never, ever, ever.
I've only had yam porridge.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're going in with our seasoning cubes right about now.
Okay, so
Thank you so much. Yes, perfect. Thank you so much.
All right.
That's it. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I will let this cook. I'm gonna let this cook. Okay, I think our plantain porridge is already almost ready. The plantain is done.
Ooh la
so
la.
right now we'll be going in with some of our ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, I like to go with the palm oil. So it's just a bit of that.
Wow.
That's okay.
Yummy.
Then I'll be going in with all my onion.
Okay.
All my chopped onion. And lastly, I'll be putting in my pepper mix.
Ooh.
Yeah, I love food very, very spicy. Hope you don't mind. Do you mind?
I love pepper.
Oh, okay, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
So, and that's about that.
Okay.
So let me just give it a good stir quickly.
All right.
Okay. So please, can you do me the honors of adding other?
Okay, so let me just.
Yes, please quickly wash your hands and do us the honors of putting the rest of our ingredients in for us. Our food is ready.
All right.
Food is ready.
So, which one are we going with first?
Okay, please go in with the fish.
Okay.
Yes, please.
I see myself as a chef already.
Of course. Of course you are.
Okay.
You are. You're one. I'm sure you know you cook. Don't you go to the kitchen?
Of course, I cook now, but
you haven't.
not professionally.
Oh, okay. But you haven't. You've never made plantain porridge.
No,
okay.
just yam porridge.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So what else?
crayfish.
Am I putting everything?
No. Just to put. See, you just have to do it until the spirit of our ancestors tell you to stop.
Okay.
At that point, that's when you know. Okay, you put it in. Okay. Okay. I think that's perfect.
Okay. What next?
Lastly, our scent leaves.
Oh, I can't wait for this.
Okay. So that's a good one. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Let me quickly give it a good stir. Yeah, you can wash your hands.
All right.
Thank you. I really appreciate you doing
You're
that.
welcome.
For us. This food looks so good already.
Right.
It looks so good already.
Oh, man, the aroma is given. I can't wait.
Please just hold that thought.
All right.
Because soon you'll be tasting the food and giving us your honest review.
That's
on
what I'm waiting
you
for.
Think about our meal.
Okay.
All right, guys. Thank you. So let me just add a bit of water. I think it needs a little bit of water.
All right.
Just a little water. Okay. So I'm gonna let it stir and cook. So let me taste.
You're ready.
Of course. Let me taste for our ingredients quickly.
Okay.
We're good to go. We're good to go. So as it's simmering, so we're wrapping it up at this point.
Okay.
So we'll be taking a short break, and when we'll come back, you and I will be tasting this meal and letting our audience know what you think about this meal and what's your first impression about unripe plantain porridge. Don't go anywhere, guys. We'll be back after the short break. Thank you. And finally, onto the moment of truth. Our guest here, Benny, will be tasting our food and she'll be letting us know out of a 10 what she honestly thinks about our meal and also her first impression about unripe plantain porridge. Are you ready?
100.
Let's dig in.
Hula.
Mm. Okay, I've been seeing you pop your head and shake your head excitedly, so let me hear what you have to say. What do you think?
In fact, I've lost words because I don't really know what to say, but this is amazing.
Wow.
It's sumptuous, it's delicious. In fact, it's a kudos.
Oh,
I give it to you.
Thank you. So out of 10, what are you rating us?
Are you still asking?
Of course, we need to know.
10 over 10. 10 over 10, bro.
Okay, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure having you on here. We really appreciate your presence, and I hope that moving forward you will be trying to make unripe plantain porridge for yourself.
Favorite food?
Henceforth. Okay guys, please don't forget to follow us on all of our social media handles, on Instagram, on Facebook, and we're on YouTube as well. You can see our handles right displaying on the screen right about now, so please don't forget to also share, comment, and like. I remain your favorite host, B. Bye for now. Thank you.